Good morning. I'm so excited because it's holiday brunch day and we're making one of our family holiday traditions, cinnamon rolls. They're my grandma's recipe and they're so good. Except it's hard to get out of bed when there's your little cuddly puppy like this.
I love the holidays and I love brunch, so I'm making some cinnamon rolls that are perfect for both. Subscribe to Food Network for more recipes. Hi, I'm Katie Lee, and right now I'm eating cinnamon rolls and my mom's holiday fruit salad. Let's get started with these. In the bowl of my mixer, I've got my yeast blooming in here. So it's a packet of yeast, some warm water, and a little bit of sugar. You want it to be nice and thick and bubbly like this. If it's not, start over. It means your yeast probably isn't good, or maybe your water was too hot. Okay, so now I'm gonna start with some sugar, an egg, a little bit of vegetable oil, and some salt. Whisk all of this together until it's nice and combined. So I've got cold water in here, and I'm adding to it an equal amount of boiling water. Why can't you just put warm water in it? I've tried it, doesn't work the same. Now slowly whisk this in. I love cinnamon rolls during the holidays because that cinnamon, it just says to me it's time to celebrate. They're for special occasions. So I'm gonna take this and mix it right into my yeast mixture. And give that a nice little stir. Gus, what do you think of Mommy's nightgown? You like it? We stay in our pajamas all day during the holidays. Now I'm gonna add in my flour slowly while the mixer is on. Woo, woo! Happy holidays. Gus, you got something to clean up over here, pal. All right, so after it comes together, make it into a nice little ball here. Cover it with plastic wrap. This goes into the fridge for 3 hours or overnight. I love making homemade bread. I'm gonna just put some flour down so that it doesn't stick. Gus, you gonna be on vacuum duty? Look at that, look at the stretch to it. A little bit more flour on top of it. And I'm gonna flour my rolling pin and then just start to go. So I'm just gonna make a big rectangle. You'll probably need to turn it a couple times and give it a stretch. And I'm doing this about 20 by 10 inches. And I'm gonna have it so that the long end faces me. Let's get started building our cinnamon rolls. So I've got some sugar here and just adding to it some cinnamon. That's it. Now, melted butter, just pour it over and then use a pastry brush to get it evenly coated. Now let's sprinkle it with the cinnamon sugar mixture. I just kind of go back and forth over the dough. Okay, now it's time to roll it up and go from the long side. And now I'm gonna cut these into the cinnamon rolls. Put these in face up and leave them with enough space so that they can rise again. Let's brush the top of each one with a little bit more melted butter. I'm gonna cover these up. They're gonna go into a warm place to rise until they double in size for about an hour and a half. Then they're gonna go into the oven, 350 for about 45 minutes. I'll just start over.
Here we go. Take one, Mark.
Ready? Yep. Okay. And now, the real star of the show, those cinnamon rolls. I made a glaze with just milk and powdered sugar. This is super simple. Let's just pour it all on. Ryan?
Oh, yeah. I've been waiting for this moment since last night.
Cinnamon roll time.
Oh my God, these look so good.
Do you want one from the center or the edge?
I want a center one. I want the gooey one of the center.
All right. Gotta have your fruit.
Are there walnuts in this fruit salad?
There are. So there's grapefruit, oranges, kiwi. There's pomegranate seeds, little coconut flakes. I love that fruit salad. Having the crunch of the nut and the little extra sweetness.
Mm-hmm. That's so good.
Gus, where are you going, pal? We almost forget your holiday gift.
Where we get them?
Come on. Oh, look
Whoa.
at this sweet boy. Are you dancing? Here you go.
Bully sticks of your dreams, a full bouquet.
That's gonna keep him busy for a while. Happy holidays to Gus, and happy holidays to us. Cheers.
Holiday brunch is my kind of meal, and what better recipe than homemade cinnamon rolls? Subscribe to Food Network for more recipes.